I heard about Brain Life from Bob Duco from the radio, and I thought, wow, this seems like you know something that I should take advantage of. I just kept hearing it, and like, oh man, this sounds too good to be true.
Yeah.
Um, but I thought I have to take a step because I need to see some improvement. The primary goals for me were certainly a decrease in my anxiety levels. I was looking for that was the biggest one. Certainly sleep quality, but yeah, it was the anxiety, especially in the social area. The very first times I really started to notice were, say, late elementary school, but certainly when it came to sixth grade, middle school, um, good times. Um, yeah, and other kids were just getting, bigger and stronger than me and more bigger mouth than me,
Yeah.
more street wise, I guess you could say. I was certainly a more innocent kid than most of the other kids, and they just sort of took advantage of me,
Yeah.
and they let me have it, and it kind of shattered my perfect world. When anxiety started to kick in, I just started to hold back. I did not try out for sports like I really wanted to. The social gatherings became so difficult that I didn't even want to go. I never even gave thoughts of going because I just didn't want to deal with that stress of possibly getting myself in a situation that people could take advantage of me. I certainly, when it comes to the happiness, I feel a lot more, say, freedom, if that makes sense. I feel certainly more comfortable. Say the outlook of my future, how I can say it looks bright, because I certainly feel a call to ministry, which involves interacting. That's some of the tough things to do in our day and age, especially since we're technology driven. Um, it's kind of hard to interact with people sometimes, but I feel that call to you know share the word of God. I feel that call, and certainly anxiety, question, what has held me back and caused me to doubt that call. Like, am I really? Should I really go into this, Lord? Is this something I should really do? Um, but I feel like slowly but surely I'm starting to feel more comfortable, and that call is becoming stronger than ever. Um, I certainly understand the doubt and the skepticism. I Every time I would hear Bob talk about it, just seemed too good to be true, and it just seemed really new age. But I thought, if a guy like Bob, as skeptic as he can be about some things, if he's willing to share this technology, that must mean that there's something to it. You know, us as believers certainly, um, who are watching this, God has called us to do whatever work it is He has for us to do, and sometimes the stresses of life, especially in today's day and age, can really hold us back. And this is just one of many things, along with praying and meditation, Bible study, and going to church, that helps us to cope with the difficulties of life that um, you know Jesus promised us we would have. So we gotta we gotta work as much as we can, and I just recommend checking it out.